Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at your home. So students, what we are going to start today? We are going to start again from geometry. Okay, we are starting from geometry. And as you remember, if you remember that we were studying our chapter number 11, fundamental concepts of geometry. And so far we have completed exercise number 11.1 and 11.2. Okay, so fundamental concepts of geometry is the topic from your geometry section, and overall this is your lecture number 26, and I am your math teacher, Miss Falak Nas. Okay, so without wasting a single minute, let's start our today's lecture. So the question arises here, what you are going to learn today? What is your topic today? So today's lecture content include number one, we are going to cover exercise number 11.3, means we will do some questions from exercise number 11.3, and then what? We are def- going to study the definitions of angles and its kinds. So these are the topic that we are going to cover today. Okay, so let's start from exercise number 11.3. Okay, so are you ready, students? So what is your question number one from exercise number 11.3? Draw a B. Okay, what's your question here? Draw a B. Okay, AB, if you look here on AB, there is a small line that is called a line segment, means it is the symbol of line segment. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to draw AB, that is a line segment, and that should be equal to 9.4 centimeter. Okay, means what you will do, you will draw a first line segment of 9.4 centimeter, and after that from A, means from point A, means from this point, cut off a segment. Okay, what you have to do, you have to cut off a segment. Segments mean a small portion. Okay, you have to cut off a segment of 5.5 centimeter long. Okay, with the help of compass, means what the condition here is that you have to use a compass here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to explain it with the help of video so that you can understand it. Okay, okay, now what you have to do, you have to tell me is my video clear or not. Okay, now please tell me, is it clear? No? 1 minute, please give me 1 minute. No, no, I hope it is clear now. And please write it down in the chat box, all of your answers. Okay, so that I can understand that it is clear or not. Please tell me, is it clear? Write it down in the chat box. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to start your lecture. Now start. Students, before starting anything, I'm going to repeat it again. Always start your work with date. Most of you didn't write the date in your copies. Please mention your date before starting your work. Okay. Now, after that, you have to write the exercise number that you are going to attempt it on the red line, and then you will write your question number one. What is your question number one here? Draw a B. Okay, draw a B that is equal to 9.4 centimeter. Okay, then from A, cut off a segment. Segment means a small portion that should be 5.5 centimeter long with the help of compass, means you have to use a compass here. So for the construction of this line segment, what are the things you are required? Number one, obviously scale. Okay, you will require a scale. Then what you will require next? Obviously they are saying that you have to, no students, please listen, you are not going to do it right now. Okay, so Nida, do not do it right now, just listen to me. Okay, Then the next thing is that this compass. Okay, so please make sure you will buy a good compass from a good company, so that their ends are good enough to draw any line. Okay, so this is a compass, and obviously pencil. Okay, this is a pencil, please do not get confused, this is a pencil, and then a small pencil as well. Okay, now why I'm using this is small pencil, the question is why I am using this one. Because what I am going to do, I'm going to insert this small pencil into this compass. Now as you can see, this is the movable end. Okay, now I'm going to open it. After that, I'm going to insert my pencil in it, but please make sure the tip of the pencil should be pointed. Okay, please use a pointed pencil, then insert it. Now how will you insert it? Now look at here. As you can see, this is the tip of the compass and this is the tip of your pencil. Your tip of the compass and pencil should be coincide with each other, means they should be in equal length. As you can see, I'm going to show you with the help of scale as well, that they should be in equal time. Okay, just like this. After that, I'm going to fix it from this side. Okay, so this is the way to insert a what this is the way to insert the pencil. Okay, this should be equal, this one, like, okay, right, is it clear? This should be equal, both of them. Now after that, first I'm going to use the scale and a pencil. Okay, what you will go here do here, you will draw a line segment. Okay, now what is a line segment? That has two end point, starting point and end point. Okay, for anything that you are going to draw, you will use this blank page, or in front of this question you will draw the given figure. Okay, so what you have to do, first you will draw a line segment AB, that is 9.4 centimeter. Okay, on your scale you have two things, centimeter and inches. Okay, so you will use a centimeter here. Now look at here, I'm going to place my scale on my blank page, and then I'm going to draw AB, that is 9.4 centimeter. Okay, now look at here, I will start from zero, this zero. Okay, I'm going to start from zero and 9.4 will be here. So I'm going to draw a straight line of 9.4 centimeter with the help of scale, just like this. Okay, now this is a line segment, this is not a line, this is the line segment because it has two point. Starting point means we have started from zero and then ended at 9.4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the line segment. Okay, now obviously this is a line segment, so it has 2 points, so you will name it. So what are the 2 points here? A and B. So I'm going to write it here that this is my point A and this is my point B. Okay, and the total length of this line segment is 9.4 centimeter. Okay, this is must, you have to write it down. Okay, 9.4 centimeter. Now after that, what you have to do, from A. Okay, starting from A means where is your point A? Here is your point A. Okay, now starting from point A, what you have to do, cut off a segment of 5.5 centimeter long with the help of compass. Now you have to use the compass here. For this, what you will require, a compass and obviously a scale. Okay, now you will place your scale here. Okay, you are going to place your scale here and then open this compass approximately of 5.5 centimeter long. So how will you open it? You will open it with the help of scale. So I'm going to place the fixed end, this is the pointed end of the compass, on the 0 centimeter, this on this side. uh, okay, now I'm going to show with the help of this one, this is my 0 centimeter. Okay, I'm going to place it here and then open this side. Okay, this will be the fixed end, this will be the fixed end, and I'm going to open this side. Okay, till 5.5 centimeters. So there, here is 5.5. Okay, now as you can see, this is approximately of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now the total distance from this to this is 5.5 centimeter. Now what I have to do, I have to place this tip, the tip of the compass, on the point A. Okay, I'm going to place it point A and I'm going to mark here, I'm going to cut off this segment with the help of a small arc with the help of compass, just like this. Okay, what you will do, you will place your fixed end on the point A, and then with the help of pencil you will mark that this is the segment of 5.5 centimeter. Now after this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure it with the help of scale as well, that from A. So yes, obviously it is completely equal to 5.5. Okay, so this is the way to construct this type of figure with the help of compass. Again, I am repeating here. What you will do, you will open your compass approximately 5.5 centimeter long. This is your fixed end. Okay, this is your fixed end and this is your movable end. You will place your fixed end on 0 centimeter, just like this. Okay, on the copy. Okay, and then open it, whatever your required measurement is. Okay, just like this. Okay, then you will cut it off. That's it. So this is the way to solve this type of question. Nothing you have to write here on the lines. Okay, you just have to draw this figure here. I hope it is clear. Please tell me, is it clear? Please write it down in the chat box. Then we will move on to the next question. Okay, now move on to the next question. What do you have your next question here? Now look at here. Another question you have here is draw PQ. Okay, what your question is, draw PQ, and as you can see, a small line segment over PQ, it means you have to draw a PQ line segment that is equals to 10.5 centimeter, means here you have to draw a line segment of 10.5 centimeter. After that, with the help of compass again, means you will use a compass again, cut off. Okay, what you have to do, you have to cut off PM is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, PM. Okay, and then QN is equals to 3 centimeter, and then measure MN. Okay, obviously this is a little bit confusing for you here, so we will doing this step first, means we are going to draw PQ that is equals to 10.5 centimeter, and again with the help of scale, we are going to use scale for this one. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to again take my scale and a pencil, and obviously in front of question number 2 I'm going to attempt this one. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line segment of 10.5 centimeter starting from 0 and then end it at 10.5 centimeter. Okay, 10.5 centimeter. Okay, then what are these? P and Q. So these points are, this is point P and this is point Q, and this is of 10.5 centimeter. That's it. Okay, 10.5 centimeter. Now after that, what you have to do, with the help of compass, now what you are going to use, compass, cut off PM. Now as you can see here, what you have, point P and Q, and there is no point M on this line segment. So it means M is the point that you are going to find it out on this line. So what you will do, you will start from P and you will cut off a segment of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are going to use your compass and scale again, and now what you have to do, you have to open your compass of approximately 4.5 centimeter long. So obviously this is the point fixed end. I'm going to place this fixed end on 0. Okay, this is my 0, and then open this compass of approximately 4.5 centimeter. So this is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now, so this is the distance between these 2 points is 4.5 centimeter. Now where I have to put it, I have to put it on point P. This is my point P. Okay, now I'm going to put it on point P, and then obviously make a small arc just like this. That's it. Okay, and after that I'm going to measure it again with the help of scale to check whether it is right or not. So yes, this is approximately, this is completely equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now what they have tell you, PM. So what is this? This is your point M. This is your point M. So you will write it down here that this is your point M. Okay, this is point P and this is point Q. Now you have already find out your point P on the line point M on the line segment. So next what you have to do, and qn is equals to 3. So as you can see, this is your point q, and you have to find this point n on this line segment, and obviously the distance from q to n should be equal to 3 centimeter. So again, you are going to use your compass and open your compass till 3 centimeter. Okay, now I'm going to place it here 0, and then I'm going to open it till 3 centimeter, just like this. Okay, so this is obviously equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this fixed stand on point q, just like this. Point q, obviously this is point q, and bilkul at completely on the tip of point q. Okay, point q, and then I'm going to make a small arc, make a small arc just like this. Okay, now I'm going to measure it. So obviously this should be of 3 centimeter, and yes, this is 3 centimeter. So what is this? This is your point what? This is your point n. Okay, this is your point n. So from P to N, the distance is 4.5 centimeter. From P to N, the distance is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and then from Q to N is 3 centimeter. Okay, you have to write these two things compulsory. Okay, now at the end, what you have to do, you have to measure mn, means you have to measure mn. Now where is your mn? This is your m, this is your point m, and this is your point n. So you have to measure this mn. Okay, you have to measure this mn. So obviously I'm going to measure it with the help of my scale. So yes, it is equals to 3 centimeter. As you can see, I hope it is clear that this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. So the line segment from M to N is 3 centimeter long. So what I'm going to write it down here, that it is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, now because they asked us to write measure mn, so I'm going to write the answer here with blue pen. Obviously I do not have ink pens, that's why I'm using here ballpoint, but you should write it with blue ink pen. So what you are going to write it down, your answer, that is your measurement mn. So you will write here small m. Okay, this represents measurement m n, or obviously a small line segment, because this is a line segment, it has 2 points starting from n and end it's towards n. It is equals to 3 centimeter. This is my answer, and it is with blue pen. This is black pen and this is blue pen. Okay, it clear? Is it clear? Tell me, is it clear? And again, you have to write it down here that this segment is 5.5 centimeter long. Now tell me, is it clear, so that we can move on to the next one? Only Nida Fatma says clear. So students, now what I'm going to tell you here, whenever you are going to attempt your question, write down your question here, and everything that you are going to draw, draw it on the blank page, whether your figures of the definitions and whatever, and always use pencil on blank page. Okay, now what you have to do, these things are must, these points. Okay, the measurement, these are must, means you have to write it down, this is compulsory, and as well as the measurement of each section. Okay, all these things are must. This is 3 centimeter. Obviously I'm using pencil here, so it is not as good visible. So now, is it clear? Okay, now so students, we were doing this question, so I'm going to show you it with the help of my video is I'm with the help of my screen again. So what you have to do, draw AB that is equals to 9.4 centimeter. Obviously you will draw a line segment 9.4 centimeter, and you will write here AB, and then you will write it is equals to 9.4 centimeter, and with the help of compass you will make an arc, and this segment will be of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, then do you have your next question from same exercise, that is question number 2? draw PQ is equals to 10 centimeter. So this is the way to draw PQ, that is equals to 10.5 centimeter. And with the help of compass, cut off PM, means from P till M, and then from that is equals to 4.5 centimeter, and from Q to N, that is must be 3 centimeter. And then you have to measure your M in, that is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, now this is the end of the construction exercise number 11.3. Now we are moving towards our questions, our definitions. So definitions, now starting from the definition of angle. What is an angle? An angle consists of two non-collinear rays. Okay, now first of all you should know what are rays. As you can see here, these are the symbol of rays, means it has one end point, and on the next side you have an arrow, means this is the and that will never end. Okay, so an angle consists of two non-collinear rays. For instance, as you can see here, this one here you have two non-collinear rays. What two non-collinear rays here? O A, that this one, okay, and then OB, this one. Okay, now these rays are joined from this point, and this is called basically vertex. What it is called? It is called vertex. Okay, and what is become? It will become an angle AOB. This is called an angle. Means what is an angle? It consists of two non-collinear rays. Non-collinear rays means the rays which do not lie on one line. So an angle consists of two non-collinear rays. For instance, angle. Now what is this? This is the symbol of angle. So angle AOB is the union of two rays that are OA and OB. So what is an angle? An angle consists of two non-collinear rays. Okay. Now next is the kinds of angles. So what are different kinds of an angle? And this is very simple. Obviously the first one is acute angle. So what is an acute angle? An angle which measures less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Means to measure any angle you will use a protractor. Okay, if it measures less than 90 degrees, so you will call it is an acute angle. Just suppose, look at here, this is an acute angle. Why this is an acute angle? Because the measurement of this angle is 35 degrees. So if an angle measures less than 90 degree, like 80 degrees, 70 degree, 20 degree, 10 degree, so that will be an acute angle. And these are the two non-collinear rays. Obviously an angle consists of two non-collinear rays, and these are the points that are P, O, Q. Okay, now the second is obviously right angle, the very simple one. An angle which exactly measures 90 degree is called a right angle. Means any angle which exactly is equals to 90 degree, that angle is called as the right angle. Okay, 1 minute. After that, just you can see this is the right angle, because this is the right angle. Okay, uh, this is point M, this is point L, and this is point N, and if you will measure it, it is exactly equal to 90 degrees. So this type of angle is called right angle. Okay, other kinds of angles are obtuse angle. Okay, what are obtuse angle? An angle which measures more than 90 degree. Okay, any angle whose measurement is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is called an obtuse angle. Now what does it mean? Look at here, this is an obtuse angle. Okay, and the measurement of this angle is 120 degree. Means it is 120 degree is greater than 90 degree, but it is less than 180 degree. So any angle which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so that type of angle is called an obtuse angle. Like angle of 175 degree will be an obtuse angle, angle of 150 degree will be an obtuse angle, because it measures less than 180 degree but greater than 90 degree. Okay, so this is the obtuse angle, and these are the points Z, Y, and X. Okay, this is your vertex. What is it? This is your vertex on which your angles will meet. Okay, now some more kinds of angles are straight angle. Now what is a straight angle? Look at here, An angle of 180 degree is called a straight angle, means an angle which exactly measures 180 degree. Okay, exactly 180 degree. If it is 181, if it is 179, so that will not be a straight angle. Okay, an angle should be of is 180 degree. That angle is called a straight angle. And for a straight angle you will draw a straight line, means starting from this and then end at this. So these are two rays. Okay, this is not a one ray, these are two rays. How? Just like this. Means this, the ray number one is what you have. I'm going to show you again. Ray number one is this one, from y to z and from y to x. So these two rays are here, and these two rays, and when they will arrange in a single line, and if you will measure it, so it will equals to 180 degree. Okay, so the measurement when it is equals to 180 degree, it is called a straight angle. Next is reflex angle. What is reflex angle here? An angle which measures more than 180 degree. Okay, exactly, if it is 180 degree, that will be a straight angle, but if it measures more than 180 degree, so that will be a reflex angle. Now how will you draw a reflex angle? Just like this is reflex angle. Now if you look here, here you have two types of angle. Now this one, if you will find it out, this one, so it is obviously less than 90 degree, so this will be an acute angle, but we are not going to talk about this portion. Okay, we are not going to talk about this portion. We are going to talk about the measurement from this to this. Okay, so if you will measure it, so it will be equals to 230 degree. Okay, if you will measure it, so it will be equals to 233, 230 degree. So if any angle that measures more than 180 degree, as you know that 230 is greater than 180 degree, so obviously it will be a what? It will be a reflex angle. So these are the points that are, one minute, these are the points that are F, E and D. Okay, so this is the reflex angle. Now the last one is the complete angle. So what is complete angle? An angle of 360 degree is called complete angle. Now how will you make 360 degree? Now as you can see, angle consists of two non-collinear rays. Starting from this, that is 0 degree, this is acute, this is right, this is obtuse, then this is straight, and then you have this one. So obviously from this to this is a reflex angle. And if you will move this ray coincide with the first ray, so it will be called complete angle. You know, an angle of 360 degree is called a complete angle. As you can see here, I'm going to erase this one. This line means this is your ray 1. Okay, this is your ray 1, and this ray 2. Okay, this is your ray 2 that is starting from here and moving towards it, and then coincide it with the first ray. So if you will measure it, it is completely equal to 360 degree. So the angle that measure 360 degree, it is called what? Complete angle. This is the complete angle. Okay, so that's the end of the lecture. I hope you have your books here. So kindly mark important points in your books. Okay, now open your book, page number 154. On page number 154, you have the definition of angle. Kindly highlight it. Okay, so this is a definition of angle, and this is the figure of angle. Okay, then on page number 156, you have different kinds of angles, right, acute angle, right angle, and on page number 157, obtuse, straight and reflex. There is no definition of straight, sorry, complete angle on in your book, but you have to write it down. Okay, so kindly highlight these points in your book. Kindly highlight these points in your book. I'm going to, and if you done, then please tell me. Okay, I'm going to take the attendance, so do not go anywhere. And when you will done, please tell me, write it down in the chat box. Okay, and you should have to actively participate in your question answer session. Okay, done. Please write it down in the chat box. Hmm. Okay, Dilaves, but you have to mark it in your book. Okay. Okay, Dilaves, it's okay. Done. Okay, now we are going to start our question answer session. So, are you ready? Now, let's start the session. So my question number one is that n dash consists of two non-collinear rays, and this is my question for Ayan and Mahat Kashif. Ayan and Mahat Kashif, please reply. Ayan and Mahat Kashif. Ayan and Mahat Kashif, please reply while other can also reply. Ajwa, please write it down in the chat box. Very good, Hibal. What about others? Ayan and Ayan and Mahat, please write it down. Where are other students? But you can see my screen, so you have to reply it. So you can reply now. No, don't say that you can't. Okay, Mahat, very good. Where is Ayan? Okay, the answer is an angle consists of two non-collinear rays. Now next, number two. An angle of 180 degree is called a dash. Okay, now Ajwa Muzaffar and Muhammad Umar. Please reply. Ajwa and Muhammad Umar. Please reply, Bete. Very good, Umar. Very good. And very good, Hibal. Where is Ajwa? Ajwa, please reply. Aisha Salman, very good. So the correct answer is very good. Very good, Saad. So the correct answer is an angle of 180 degree is what? An angle of 180 degree is called a straight angle. Okay. Now number three, an angle which measures dash is called a right angle. Okay, now Mir Abban and Sanaullah. Mir Abban and Sanaullah, please reply. Mir Abban and Sanaullah, please reply. Very good, Hibal. Saat, very good. Umar, very good. Very good, Bete. Mir Abban and Sana. Dilaves, no, beta. So the correct answer is an angle which measures 90 degree is called a right angle. Okay. Now the next is an angle which measures more than an angle. Please tell me the answer of this one. An angle which measures more than 180 degree is called a dash. Okay, Mirabban, very good. Very good, Abbas. Aiza, very good. Saad, very good. Omar, yes. Yusera, Sana, Hafiz, very good. Very good, students. Very good. Now move on to this one. Next one. An angle which measures less than 90 degree is called an dash angle. An angle which measures less than 90 degree is called an dash angle. Hmm? Please write it down. 1 minute. I'm going to share the screen again. So we were here. It is called acute angle. Very good. It is called acute angle. Now move on to the next one. An angle of dash is called complete angle. An angle of dash is called complete angle. What will be the answer of this? An angle. Very good, Saad Suhail. Very good, Yusera. Hibal, very good. Abbas, Sana, Umar, Meerabban. Very good, students. All of you are doing very good. So the correct answer is very no, Nida. Nida, no. An angle of 360 degree is called complete angle. Okay, complete angle is of 360 degree, and an angle of 180 degree is called a straight angle. Okay, now the last one. An angle which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an dash angle. Very good, Hibal. Very good. Okay, 1 minute. Now you are giving a right answer. So now what I'm going to do, obtuse angle. Okay, the correct answer is obtuse angle. Now after that I'm going to my share your homework on your screen. So please tell me, is it clear? Is it clear? Please tell me. This is the homework that I'm going to post on Google Classroom today, but you have to wait for it. Okay. Okay, now look at here. This is your lecture number 26 and assignment number 22. And you have to attempt this assignment in geometry copy. And you have to do exercise number 11.3, question number 2 and 3 plus definition. Okay, now look at here. These are the examples. Okay, these are the examples. Do not attempt these questions in your copy. Okay, you have to open your book, exercise number 11.3, and from there you will copy down question number 2 and question number 3 and then solve it. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now after that, these are the definitions that you will copy it from here. Okay, you have to write down all these definitions in your copy, and obviously you will draw these figures in where you will draw this figure on your blank page. Okay, so these are the definitions that you are going to do in your copy. Okay, now I'm going to end my lecture here. If you want to ask anything, if you want to ask anything, please ask. If you have any question, please write it down chat in the chat box. And at the end, I would like to say thank you so much for being with me.